To make an object in a photo bigger without changing the photo size on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the Desired Photo. Tap the Photo Assist icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, long tap the object you like to make bigger. And then resize the object by pinching out your fingers on the selected area until the size fit with your need. If needed, you can change the object position by dragging and dropping the selected area. And then tap Generate button to let the AI resize the selected object and fill the missing background if any. Once done, you can tap Save Copy button to save the result in the same album with the original photo. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.